How to connect Sonos to Apple Music. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, you're going to learn how to connect your Sonos speakers to Apple Music in just a few easy steps. Whether you're setting up for the first time or switching music for the services, this guide will help you get everything running smoothly. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Sonos app. First, open the Sonos app on your phone or tablet. Make sure it's updated to the latest version. Step 2. Go to Settings. Now, tap the Settings icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Step 3. Add a new music service. Select Services and Voice, then tap Add a Service. Scroll down and tap Find Apple Music from the list. Step 4. Link your Apple Music account. Tap Add to Sonos and sign in with your Apple ID. Follow the prompts and give your permission for Sonos to access your Apple Music account. Step 5. Finalize the setup. Once you're logged in, you can name the account if you want, and then tap Done. That's it. Apple Music is now linked to your Sonos system. Quick tips. Make sure your Sonos and phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And don't forget, you need an active Apple Music subscription for this to work. And that's it. That was the tutorial on how to connect Apple Music to your Sonos speaker. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you next time.